Nimbulnaka, we would like to thank the Mbula family in Nigeria Level for nominating us to do this Kalagdan Quiz Challenge. The theme for our song is love, and we would like to nominate the following families to also partake in this challenge.
Mr. and Ms. Kumembole, Mamendad in Brisbane, Australia, and Vitavini family in Mominandi.
Maafa family and Sapphire Atkins family in Australia, and also the Dandalan family in Lotoka.
Tilal family and Sita family in Australia, and Rokasala family in Lotoka.
Cretan family and Tinimbolo family in Bath.
His family in California, Colin family and Sarnavamara in Kinoya.
Tirara family in Papua New Zealand and Tirara family in Mamibata Levu.
Tarilai Semi Valandamu family in Texas, USA, and Temango family in Wakambuli, Lautoka.
Last but not least, before we will sing and end up this challenge, we would like to nominate Di Suliasi, Anna, and Ramatai family in Lotoka, including Boy Kavitani in UK. Please do extend the challenge.
setiap sisu di sabayang ay nalomurang. Nilomania ulong bukalong, uatia umay nambulaongo, sodabira na legaran rawang, beibu bale rabiakana. Dalam dunia uerang bulan marah, sengani rambau kawataka, bisa turangan imbau lomani kei pangibata. Dilomania ulong bukalong, buetia umay nambulaongo, sodabira na lengaran rawa, beibu bale rabiakana. Namun dunia